Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the build a audio recorder web app with the JavaScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's go live, and here you can see that start recording. So let's start the recording. Allow. Hello friends, welcome back to the new channel, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Then stop recording and download the audio. Audio is downloaded. Let's listen. Okay, so this is the same recording that we have done. Okay, so let's dive into the code level how I have implemented this. Okay, so this is the style, basic style that you have to do. Then we have a div id app, button id, start, record, stop, and the download. Okay, by default this to be disabled, right? Then the script started. So start recording document dot element, we will take the get element by id of the start, record, stop, and the download. Okay, then media recorder recorded chunks. So start recording button, when I click on that one, it will start the recording. First it will ask me to allow the media devices like microphone is enabled or not. So audio, true. Then media recorder will start, and the start record button disabled to be true, and the record button to be false. Okay, then media recorder on data available, then handle the data available, right? Okay, so here we have handle the recorded data with the event data size is greater than 0. Then we are going to push the recorded chunks to the event data of the event data to the recorded chunks. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here we have a handle data. If something goes wrong, we will go with the error assessing the microphone. Okay, now stop recording function will media recorder dot stop will help you to stop the recording, and we have to set the buttons accordingly. Record button disabled to be false, record button disabled to be true, and download button disabled to be false. Okay, then download the recorded audio. So the same thing that we have done in the previous one. So audio, so here we have a audio, we have to webm url create object document create element with the anchor tag. We will create a url, then download that one and append the child into the body, and automatically hit the click and documented body remove the child. After that, then we will remove the anchor tag. Okay, this is handle recorded data, right? And that's it. Okay, so this is how you can build a audio recorder web app with the JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.